Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Mailchimp. So let's begin. Okay, so there are multiple ways for you to integrate Facebook lead ads to your Mailchimp, and one of the methods that we use is basically using Zapier. So if you have an account here, you might want to log in. And from here, as you can see, do more with Facebook lead ads integrations. And all we're going to do is search for pairing apps is going to be Mailchimp. There you go. Click on that and you will be directed to a new page wherein you can take advantage and explore endless possibility, and by creating integrations between Facebook lead ads and Mailchimp to automate any workflow, and click on the orange button to connect these apps. Now, essentially, from here, you can rename the into this one. Now, the trigger is going to be the Facebook lead ads, and the action is going to be on Mailchimp. As you can see, all I'm going to do is click on continue. And once you have done that, you can sit back and relax and let Zapier do the work for you. Okay? Now, the next method that we know is essentially you can simply go to this amazing website called Save My Leads. You can connect Facebook leads to Mailchimp. You can add new subscribers to Mailchimp automatically as soon as the client sends a new lead to Facebook. In addition to the email, you can add additional information from lead, for example, the name. Now, all you're gonna do is click on sync and accept these integration. Okay, it's one of the easiest methods that we found online, because I myself are using Save My Leads to automate my workflow and saves me time during integration between Facebook lead ads to Mailchimp. Now, once you're sure if you are using the Mailchimp platform, all you're gonna do is click on connect, and you will be asked to log in using your credentials. It'll take some time, but once successful, you can get it all connected by clicking the connect button. And obviously, if you do that, you will be directed to your Facebook account. So you need to be ready with your Facebook account where you're trying to integrate Facebook lead ads to your Mailchimp account. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.